स्टैंडर्ड 8 सब्जेक्ट साइंस है। चैप्टर 1 है क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन एंड मैनेजमेंट। आज मैं आपको इसके ट्रू फॉल्स करवाऊंगी जो आपको करने हैं। नंबर 1, ग्राउंडनट इज ए खरीफ क्रॉप, तो आंसर आएगा ट्रू। नंबर 2, मेज इज अ रबी क्रॉप, आंसर आएगा फॉल्स। नंबर 3, द फील्ड इज डेवल्ड फॉर शोइंग एज वेल एज फॉर इरीगेशन पर्पज, तो आंसर आएगा ट्रू। Number 4, a seed drill is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil, आंसर आएगा false. Number 5, farmers select good quality of seeds for sowing, आंसर आएगा true. Number 6, use of fertilizers improve the texture of the soil as well as enhance the water holding capacity of the soil, आंसर आएगा false. नेक्स्ट 7 नंबर है, प्लांट्स कंटेन नियरली 90% वाटर। अभी नेक्स्ट है, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन, आंसर इन वन वर्ड। व्हाट इज कॉल्ड अ क्रॉप ग्रोइंग इन द विंटर सीजन, तो क्या आएगा रबी क्रॉप। नंबर 2, व्हाट इज टाइम पीरियड ऑफ रबी क्रॉप्स, तो क्या टाइम पीरियड फ्रॉम अक्टूबर टू मार्च। नंबर 3, which agricultural practice is done before growing a crop, तो आंसर आएगा प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द सॉइल। नंबर 4, which traditional tool is used to break crumbs, तो आंसर आएगा प्लांक। नेक्स्ट नंबर 5, which modern tool is used for showing with the help of tractor nowadays, तो आंसर आएगा सीड ड्रिल। Next number 6, which fertilizer containing nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium called, तो आंसर आएगा NPK। Number 7, which bacteria are present in the root nodules of leguminous plants, तो आंसर आएगा rhizobium। Next number 8, what is undesirable plants that grow naturally along with crop in a field called, तो आंसर आएगा weeds। नंबर 9, which tool is used to harvest crop with hand, आंसर आएगा सिक्कल। नंबर 10, which drip leaves are used for storing food grains at home, neem leaves। नेक्स्ट है, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन वन सेंटेंस। नंबर 1, व्हाट इज नेसेसरी टू प्रोवाइड फूड टू अ लार्ज पॉपुलेशन, आंसर आएगा रेगुलर प्रोडक्शन, पेपर मैनेजमेंट, प्रॉपर मैनेजमेंट and distribution of food is necessary to provide food to a large population. Number 2, in which class plants classified on the basis of season, answer on the basis of season plant are classified as kharif crops and rabi crops. Number 3, how are earthworms and microbes helpful to farmers, earthworms and microbes turn and loosen the soil and you must do it, thus they are help to farmers. Why are variety of crops grown in different parts of our country? In our country, the climate conditions like temperature, humidity and rainfall vary from one region to another, so variety of crops are grown in different parts of our country. Next, how do the soil organism add humus into the soil? The soil organism decompose dead plants, animals in this way. Various nutrients held in the dead organism are released back into the soil. Thus, they add humus into the soil. Next, why is turning and loosening of the soil very important for cultivation of crops? Turning and loosening of the soil brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top so that plants can use these nutrients. Next, mention the types of plug. There are 2 types of plug, wooden plug and iron plug. Next, what is the need before plugging if the soil is very dry? If the soil is very dry, it may need watering before plugging. Why are seeds covered by the soil during sowing? Seeds are covered by the soil during sowing because this prevents damage caused by birds. Next, what is the use of plank? The plank is used to break the soil crumbs and level the soil. Next, what is called manuring? Adding manure to the fields to replenish the soil with nutrients is called manuring. Next, number 12, by which method are damaged seeds separated from good healthy seed? By putting seeds in water, those seeds which float on water can be separated as damaged seeds from good healthy seeds. Next, number 13 है, give the example of fertilizers. The example of fertilizers are urea, ammonium, sulfate, superphosphate, potash, etc. What is NPK fertilizer? A fertilizer containing nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium is called NPK. Mention the source of irrigation. The sources of irrigation: wells, tubewells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and canals. Mention the name of modern methods of irrigation. The name of modern methods of irrigation: sprinkler system, drip system. Next, when weedicides spread, the weedicides are sprayed during the vegetative growth of weeds before flowering and seed formation. 18. Mention the harvest festival in India. Pongal, Baisakhi, Holi, Diwali and Bihu are the harvest festival in India. Which oil from fish is rich in vitamin D? Cold liver oil from fish is rich in vitamin D. Next, number 20 है, say, do weedicides have any effect on the person handling the weedicide spray? Spraying of weedicides may affect the health of the person handling the weedicide sprayer. Why can paddy not be grown in the winter season? Paddy requires a lot of water as it is a kharif crop, whereas in winter climate is cool and dry. So paddy cannot be grown in the winter season. मीन्स पैडी क्या है, उसको लॉट ऑफ ज़्यादा पानी चाहिए खरीफ, और वो क्या है, एज इट खरीफ क्रॉप है. इन विंटर क्लाइमेट इज कूल. विंटर क्लाइमेट क्या है, कूल और ड्राई. सो पैडी कैन नॉट बी ग्रो, इसलिए कि पैडी जो होता है वो नहीं ग्रो होता है, बढ़ता नहीं है विंटर सीजन में. अभी डिफाइन है फर्टिलाइजर, द सब्सटेंस which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called fertilizers. Number 2, irrigation, the supply of water to crops at different intervals is called irrigation. Number 3, weeds, undesirable plants that grow naturally along with crop are called weeds. Harvesting, the cutting of crop after it is mature is called harvesting. अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके शॉर्ट आंसर करवाऊँगी. ये आपको मैंने पहले भी करवा दिया था. इसको क्लास वर्क की बुक में, होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और इसे लर्न भी करना है. ठीक है, ये रिवीजन चैप्टर है. थैंक यू.